I never been a snake, so I ain't matching energy. Cause them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, just stay tuned with me. We never starve, I got a dub, then we got 10 apiece. Feel a fake through them handshakes, you ain't no kin to me. Call your brother behind your back, they really frenemies. Man, them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, stay tuned with me. If you my dog, then you my dog.
Okay, y'all, I'm Love Queen. I'm back with another video, and y'all, what's up? Alright, y'all, so if you're watching this video right now, guess who your girl is? Your girl finally got to 1K subscribers. And today's video going to be short. I'm not going to do, all this extra stuff. I'm just going to show y'all a couple things. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all the Chips Ahoy new donuts and everybody Krispy Kreme. Then I'm going to show y'all Ben Luwin, I think his name is. He's the guy that makes all the ranch ice cream. I was trying to get the ranch, the Hidden Valley Ranch ice cream. Couldn't get that. I checked every Walmart. He the guy that got the macaroni and cheese ice cream. So guys, I found it's called Earl Grey tea. I found tea ice cream. So we're gonna try that out. And then I'm gonna unbox my 1,000 subscribers button surprise. Okay, y'all. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that bell, comment. Congratulations, LP, for hitting that 1K. And like I always tell you guys, keep pushing, because y'all going to get there soon. Don't give up. Believe in yourself. You'll make it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, I'm going to let y'all see the Chips Ahoy Krispy Kreme donut. Okay, and y'all can purchase these at Walmart. And here's the Ben Luwin tea ice cream. Earl Grey tea. I don't know about that. I wanted the ranch because I already knew I was going to spit that out. So I'm going to get me some water. And I'm only going to try one of the donuts. When I was at my 900 subscribers, guys, I made a cake shake. I was going to do the same thing, but I didn't want to do it for my 1,000. Comment about the donuts too, y'all. I'm going to try, well, I don't even know what's inside this donut, but I'm going to try this one. So here we go. I'm not spoiling y'all. It's like a mousse in the inside. It got me curious. I wonder if the same thing in all of the round donuts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break another one. I'm just curious. Yes, it's the same thing. So I'm going to be honest about the donut. It's not bad, but I don't know. It's not nothing I'm going to write a book about. And I'm pretty sure the other ones taste good. They got M&M's on them. And the Chips Ahoy cookies broken up into pieces. Alright, so I'm going to set that to the side. Like I said, I'm not going to drag the video in. I'm just trying to thank you guys for, everyone that subscribed to my channel, showing support. And if you're new and you're watching, subscribe, comment, you're new, so I can come on over and show you some love too. And so now we're going to try the Earl Grey tea ice cream. I ain't crazy about the donut. Alright. This ice cream smells just like tea. So we're going to try it. Oh, y'all. I ain't never paid no $10 for no pint of ice cream, but this is how much this ice cream was. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna tell y'all. It's cold, okay? But it's not bad. And it tastes like tea. It's weird. I don't know. He was sitting in the lab thinking of weird stuff to make. I don't know about the tea. I'm not gonna lie. Tea and macaroni and cheese and I'm not gonna lie. It ain't bad. If somebody is sick and eat this whole pint of ice cream, me, I wouldn't make it past a couple teaspoons. Because it's weird to me, but I wanted to do something, try something different for y'all in my video. And last but not least, my book. Okay, guys. I'm going to tell you why.
Okay, class. Who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
Hold on for a minute. Let me skip this. I'm going to tell y'all why this is a book. Okay. And I got it for motivation. Like, I bought it so that, you know, I can have something to put all my ideas in. As you can see here, I wrote a little. Hold on. And I wrote the LPQ. I didn't get started yet, but I'm going to put all my recipes, everything that I ever made, you know, everything will be in this book. Because my little folder, I do have a folder, it's a mess. And when I saw this, I said, ooh, I was actually trying to get the play button, but they didn't have it. It's out of stock. So a lot of people in the comments, they complain and they thought this was the actual button when you order it, but no, this is not the actual one from YouTube, but your own little personal one. But it came as a book, but I knew it was coming as a book because where they didn't look, I took my time and I read everything. And it said actually that it was a book. Okay, so if you want to get one of these for motivation, you know, it says 1 million subscribers, you know. You can go ahead and get it, hang it on the wall. I actually had this hanging on the wall, which I'm going to put it back on the wall and leave it there. And when I'm ready to write in it, I just open it. I had like tape holding it, and I'll open it and write whatever I want. I'm going to get all my recipes and things in the book anyway. So, all right, guys, I love you all. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Anybody new, like I said, you know, comment, subscribe. I will be hitting all of you up soon, well tunes, and I'm telling you guys, keep going, keep pushing, because you're almost there. And guess what? I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. I love you all, and peace.
No! God, please, no! No!
Another one.